Hello! Malapit na ang Valentine's Day at magsisilabasan na naman ang may mga date. Lalabas na yung may makokol, may makamomol, kawowol, kajojol, kahohol, lahat na ng all gagawin nila. At dahil dyan, may 3 tips ako and suggestions para sa mga katulad nating walang date. Activity number 1. Health is wealth. Kaya para maging healthy ka, mag-jogging ka. Kung may sama ka man ng loob sa ex o sa crush mo, at least malalabas mo yung endorphins mo. Dapat malalagay mo sa isang drum yung pawis mo. At kung nabibitter ka naman sa mga ibang couples na nagja-jogging, magsuot ka ng blinders. Alam mo yun, yung pangkabayo, para hindi ka na-distract. Kung takot ka naman lumabas kasi tad-tad ka naglutatayon at takot ka sa araw, or baka kasi makita mo yung ex mo na may kasamang bagong babae, bagong lalaki, at mas emotionally stable sila sa'yo, well, pwedeng-pwede ka naman pumunta sa bahay lang at mag-hip-hop abs. Alam mo sino ka mo? Akala mo hito! Pangit mo! Activity number 2. Mag-participate at manood ng mga children's show. Use it as your therapy. Para kahit papano naalala mo yung feeling na may gumagabay sa'yo, may adventures kayo together. Hola! Where's my boyfriend? Where's the building? Very good! Vámonos! May humingi ng opinion mo about everything. Where's the plant? And finally, mag-arts and crafts ka. It's time to express your emotions, yung mga saloobin mo. Kunin mo yung 45 mong crayons, yung set, tapos kulay ka lang. Alam mo yun, makulay ang buhay. Color ka lang. Kulay na kaluluwa mo! Black! Or,
I want to spend my life with a girl like you. Ba-ba-bam-bam-bam, ba-ba-bam-bam, and do all the things that you want me to. Ba-ba-bam-bam-bam, ba-ba-bam-bam, till that time has come that we might live as one. Can I dance with you? Ba-ba-bam-bam-bam, ba-ba-bam-bam. I tell by the way you dress that you're so real fine.
ilan lang yan sa mga pwede mong gawin ngayong Valentine's Day kung wala kang date. At pwede bang tingil-tingilan mo na yung pag-hashtag mo sa Twitter kasi hindi naman niya mapapansin yan. Hindi naman niya matatamaan kasi wala yung pakialam. Tsaka huwag ka na mag-abang sa cellphone mo kung may magte-text kasi hindi talaga yan magte-text. Okay? Always remember, you don't need a man or a woman to feel complete. You just need yourself and some creativity. Kung may suggestions kayo or may mga ideas na gusto nyong gawin naming video, i-tweet nyo lang ako sa @samonser or leave a message in ask.fm/samonser. And show us some love by liking this video or subscribing to our channel. And that's it! Happy Valentine's Day! Group hug! Group hug! Group hug! Group hug!